Welcome everyone. Greetings in Portuguese, bom dia. Let's get to know about LS Factory. It is in Lisbon, Portugal and around Alcantara neighborhood. It was first built in 1846, renovated in 2005, and since 2008 it launched officially as a factory of creativity. People bring their own products and designs in this place. So these products are unique and you don't see them often in the shopping mall. There are many restaurants and bars you can eat and drink. You will find many Portuguese, Brazilian and Mexican dishes. You can also find live music throughout the days and nights, which is pretty amazing. Many local singers they perform here, depending on the schedule of restaurants and bars. It is a popular place and usually crowded in the summer. It is also near to Tagus River and historical bridge called Ponte 25 de Abril. You may enjoy walking on the bank of the river, watching boats and the view of the bridge. You can also visit Caris Museum to see the old buses and trams, Village Underground Lisboa to witness a unique concept, and these are all very close to LS Factory. Just to let you know that you can find cheaper places to eat and drink outside and around of LS Factory. There are many local restaurants, shops and mini markets. You could travel there via bus and tram. The nearest station is Calvario and Estacao Amaro. At the end of the video I have attached two pictures about the transportation to LS Factory. I recommend this place to visit. People around here usually open-minded and friendly. You may find your travel buddy while walking around the place. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you safe travel and have fun. Finally, I will be glad if you find this video worth enough to give a like and subscribe to the channel. Adios.